Hey guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am following another YouTuber's tutorial. I think it's super fun to do this. I did previously follow the Sea Lemon tutorial for her Hocus Pocus book. It turned out amazing and was so much fun. So today I'm going to do this again. I will be following a tutorial by one of my crafty besties, who is Serena B here on YouTube. I will leave a link to her channel down below. But she had posted this really fun mini album folio tutorial, and I think it turned out so super cute, and I want to give it a try too. So she's using Merry Days collection by CRAFTY. I'm actually going to be using some of the Echo Park A Perfect Christmas collection that I have left over from last year. There's, you can see your little hands, it's so cute. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started with this tutorial. I'm going to kind of speed up. So, oh, she's going already. Okay, hang on. I think we need, let me listen, hang on.
Paper that is double-sided. The first thing is to select the 12 by 12 paper that you want to use.
Okay, which I have right here. Yep. Alright, so I need to cut my 12 by 12 paper in half. So it's 6 by 12. Right. Aren't these reindeer super duper cute? I think they're so adorable. Okay, so I got my paper. Now what?
The next step is to take your scoreboard.
Okay, got me one of those. I think she and I actually even have the same scoreboard. I think that's so funny. Okay, so now what? Where do we score, Serena? Tell me.
Scoreboard, you can use a ruler and stylus or something. So here we go. The first step
is
to decide which pattern you want as your cover.
Okay, cover. Want this one.
As my cover.
I want this buffalo check or plaid.
So go ahead and
okay. Whoa!
We're gonna score it.
Where do we score?
You can either score it at 2 inch, but I like to just do it a little bit, just a little bit smaller than 2 inches.
Okay, so score it at a little bit less than 2 inches. Oh, I should probably have the reindeer going the right way, because I think this is gonna fold up and make the pocket. And we don't want our reindeers to be upside down. Okay, so 2, and then she said just a little bit under 2. All right, did it.
So right here, scoring it all the way down.
Okay, did that. I crushed it. I did that so good.
Score 3 lines. The first one is at 3 inches.
Okay.
So go all the way down on your paper.
Okay.
Little 3 by 4 spots.
Oh no. I think she did. Ah.
And then the last score line is at 9 inches.
Okay, so 3, 6, and 9. Okay. That I can do. 3, 6, and 9. Okay, did it.
So basically you're creating 4 little 3 by 4 spots.
Okay.
So the next step is to fold everything.
Okay. Alright. I can do that.
And this is where you do an accordion fold.
Okay. Ah! Oh. She folds it very fast. Oh. Whoa! Slow down. Oh my gosh, she's going even faster now. Oh, what is my life? I don't know. Okay. So I have this. I think that is right. Yeah?
And it becomes this cute little folio.
Yes! It is. Yeah. Yeah, you could. Alright, look. I even got the same glue. Okay.
I can have more room for the goodies I'm going to include in there. So when you're using this glue, a little bit goes a long way.
That is definitely right.
Lightly press on it, and if you can see, I'm not adding a lot.
Just a little goes a long way. Okay. Did it. Now what? Okay, oh, just fold it. Okay.
One little tip, if you are using this glue and you get it on a project, while it's still wet, just grab an eraser and erase it out. That's what I just did, and it comes out really nice.
Yeah, okay. Well, I use my fingers, so. I do have an eraser though. Okay. Oh! I forgot about the closure. Oh my gosh. I don't even, oh my gosh, I can't even pause it. Okay. I have to get some ribbon or something. I'll be right back. Alright, so the ribbon I grabbed was like this gold rickrack stuff. I think it'll be okay. And I did not get my hot glue gun going. Oh! Yeah, I didn't do that. So should I get my hot glue gun though? I really don't feel like it. The struggle. Okay, so I did go through my die cuts and things and pulled out just a few that I can work with for this project. And my glue gun. Oh my gosh. It's right here. I did it. I heated it up. Okay, so I think what she does is she glues the ribbon down on the back.
Use a die cut or
Let's see.
I'm gonna cut the back side of your little booklet 3x4 spot bead.
Okay, yep.
Seam binding.
Okay, my rickrack. Okay, alright. And then she puts it on. Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, let's try this, you guys. Let's try this. Let's try and not fail at this, yeah? Okay. Things hanging off of my glue gun. Why? Alright. Just a little bit of glue. Okay. Are you going to chill in the glue for me? I'm gonna press it down with my bone folder into the glue because I burn myself every single time I get my glue gun out. It gets really, really painful. Okay. And then I think she put something over the back, right? I wanna say. So that would actually be really cute on the back. So why don't I go ahead and do that too? Make sure that is what she does. Yeah, okay, so then she covers up this seam, whatever, with a little decorative piece. So I'm gonna do that too. Whoa, with my hot glue gun. Try not to, ow, murder myself with the very hot glue. Why do I do this to myself every time? Every time. So you can live right there. And I'm guessing that will also help the rickrack, whatever, stay in place, right? I'm hoping. Fingers crossed. Okay, so I have my little doodads, my little album. This will get tied up in the front and be super cute. Okay, and then I think she just starts decorating it, right? So, super cute. Okay.
So you get to play and just
Yeah.
different things.
Okay. So she's just decorating at this point, so that's what I'm gonna do too. So I don't think I need her help with decorating, because I'm not gonna copy her. So I'll just do kind of my own thing, and I think that'll be really fun. So let me go ahead, get rid of the glue gun that hates me, and put this aside and start decorating this. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit so that you can see a little bit more what I'm doing. So this is what we got going on so far. I think I'll leave the front for last. I don't know, because I think I want to use this die cut. It's super pretty. These poinsettias on there, poinsettias, however you want to say it. I think it's gorgeous. And I think it'd be really fun actually to use, I thought I had a chipboard Santa, and I do. There he is. So this is a brand new set. I was trying to use up another one of these I have, but I really, really want to use the Santa guy if I can, because he's super cute. I think he'll fit perfectly. He's like, hey, what's up? Let's get this mini album party started. So I think that's what we're gonna do. Oh, he don't stick good though. Oh no. All right, that's okay. That's what glue is for. All right, so we'll put this little thingy there, and then maybe we can use some little washi tapes. I think that'd be cute on the front and to kind of stand on top of. Okay, and then I do have a little piece of this red already kind of trimmed down like that. Add some glue to him, because that's just crazy that he don't stick. All right, and then he can just kind of stand right there. Super cute. Super cute. Oh my god. And then I do have some jummies, so why don't we go ahead and use some of these. I have a bunch of these like red, white, and green ones, so maybe I could try to use up some of these. I'm not really a fan of the giant enamel dots. They're like too big, I feel like. All right, so I got that guy on there. And then maybe I could add some little, I don't know, things from the stickers. Is that too much? Nah, that's cute. Oh, and there's a little Santa Claus right here. How adorable. How perfect. Santa Claus. Got the front, got the back. Actually, maybe I could add a little bit of something here on the back for funsies. Go ahead and trim this down. Put just a little bit of glittery washi tape here on the back, like so. Super cute. Okay, so let's go ahead and decorate the inside. I think she decorates these little sections too. So the little tags, I know I want to write stuff on the back of, so I'm just gonna kind of pop those in there so I can kind of see what's going on. And then this is a little thing of cocoa that I just folded in half and then wrapped some paper around. So that's cute. I know I want this to go maybe like in this one here. I do have this little guy right here that I think I will cut down and layer right there. So let's kind of work around that. I love this little tag. Figure out what I want where. You see, I feel like that would be really cute. The little tags, a little snowman. It's adorable. I do also have chipboard stickers and like these kinds of stickers. I don't know, maybe I could use like this one. That'd be kind of cute. Yeah, I could totally do that. Okay, so I'm going to cut this in half and do like the little fishtail job on it. Make it look like a little flag because it's really cute, and then I can layer it on top of some washi tape. I don't really like the washi's on here, you guys. Oh my gosh. All right, well, I'll set them aside and maybe I can use them for something else. And I'll just stick those on my lamp so I can reuse them. I think I want a little die cut here, but I do have this chipboard guy and he's a little bit bigger and I think it'd be really cute. So this was from the Very Merry collection by Simple Stories. So I'm gonna save this die cut and I'm gonna use this chipboard guy instead. He is a sticker though, so I'm going to do this trick of using the powder tool or whatever to make him less sticky. I don't know if this actually works. This is the first time I'm doing this, so Serena says it works though, so it must, right? Is that enough? He's still kind of sticky, yo. Are you gonna, I don't know, how does this work? Come on, powder, make him less sticky. I feel like there's stuff coming out. I guess it's slightly less sticky. All right, well, it is what it is, I guess. I'm going to use a little bit of this glue. I wanted this guy to have a little bit of room to kind of chill on there. Okay, so you can go like that. I think I want this one up here, and then a cup of Christmas cheer will go right here. I do need to trim this down just a little bit. All right, that'll be cute. Also, I could use my little scallopy scissors to make the edges scalloped, and that'd be really cute. I've been really loving these. I think they're really fun. I feel like I've already used them a bunch this season for crafting and things. Right, so we got that guy right there. I was thinking of doing a little bit of washi tape behind him as well. I'm just gonna trim down this washi tape so that it will fit right behind the little die cut I just cut down. I can go like that, and then this guy, go right over it. I think that'll be cute. Just add a little bit of sparkle up there. It'll help tie in this red glitter and this red glitter. Can I need, oh, I was gonna do the little tags right here, right? That's what I was thinking of doing. Something like that. But this one blends in too much now. Little reindeer. Oh, I like the 'Tis the Season. That's cute. Maybe this little one. I like that one. That one's cute. Because I was thinking, like, I like the size of this one, but that's a lot of kind of black things right next to each other, and I want to vary it just a little bit, so we'll do that one. Got snowman guy right here. Let's put like some decorations behind all these things. So I want to use some of these stickers down right there. That way when the person takes out the things that are in here, it'll look really cute, I think. The ornament would be really cute. Be right there. Some of these little candy canes would also be really fun. Just there. And I do still have a whole bunch of things over here, so maybe little guy would be cute right there perhaps. I need something for this, whatever it is. So what is it? Section thingy. Oh, I was gonna do this guy, right? I think that was the plan, to do the jolly on there. Little tag is cute. We can do that. And this tag can go right here. And then I can put like a little word on there or something. Maybe there's a cute little sticker I can do. I don't know. I do have a whole bunch of these like little phrasey stickers. I like the little naughty or nice. I think that's really cute. Something like that. And maybe this little heart as well would be really fun. All right, I think that's pretty good. Let's again try to use up some of these enamel dots, because why not? Like I said, I find them really difficult to use when they're huge like these. So if I can try to use up some of them, that's a good thing. Let's use greens, some of these reds maybe as well. These white ones would be fun. Again, I'm just trying to like vary up the sizes that I'm using, as well as the colors. There, that's like two big giant red ones though right next to each other. I'm not crazy about that. So maybe we'll use the green. there. A green one, and then maybe a white one somewhere. Okay, that'll work. All right, so this is the inside that I have so far. This is what it looks like on the outside and then on the back. So let's go ahead and pop our goodies in here real quick. So like I said, I have these 2 tags. I was thinking of doing like a mail tag or a little note on the back of one. Got those there. I have my cocoa. I really should put something on here. I think I'm just gonna use a piece of washi tape to kind of hold this in place. And just wrap it around a couple of times. A little bit more washi tape, like so, and then I can put my doodad right on top. I think that'll be fine. Something like that. I think it'll be cute. And then I also have this little shaker pocket of sequin mix that I made last year, and it never went into any Happy Mail, so I think I'm going to maybe pop that in here maybe, just to add a little bit of sparkle and fun. And then I had also printed off some of my mom's sugar and spice cookie recipes. So I'm going to share one of these as well. So again, it's fun, why not? People love a good cookie, right? I know I do. These are my favorite cookies. I love them so much. So that can just slide right in there. And then there's some fun little gifts in here. So some little shakers that they can use in their own projects, a cookie recipe, cocoa to go with the cookies, and then some fun little like pen pally things right here. And then I think this just folds up. Although mine is very full. I don't know if Serena intended for these to be quite this chunky. Let's see. All right, so she decorated hers. All right, so she's putting her goodies in there, some little bags, some little tags. That tag looks familiar. It's the same one. I probably got these from her. That's so funny. All right, she's doing a tea, and I did a cocoa. Oh, that's so cute. Folds up, and then you tie it. Okay, I can do that. Maybe. Maybe, maybe not. Oh my gosh, I can't. I can't tie it. I don't know, I figure like once the person takes out all the goodies, it won't be so chunky and they'll have an easier time like properly tying it, unlike me. Okay, let's try it again. One more time, Danny. You can do it. You can do it. You can tie it. You can tie it. You can tie it. You can tie it. Can you? Oh, I almost had it. Oh. All right, so I finally got it kind of closed, so I think it looks cute. Thank you so much to Serena for your inspiration and for the fun tutorial. This was so much fun to make and follow along. Again, if you guys are not following Serena over on her channel, I will link it down below. But that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!